Continue on CNC Group Breaker 1647. We have Canada versus the World and 11-12 Panini Contenders. Start off for the Winnipeg Jets, Teemu Selanne, which is now the Phoenix Coyotes. Great moments, which will go towards the Colorado Avalanche, Peter Forsberg. Boris Mikhailov. Is that a random? Boris Mikhailov. If that's a random, let me know. For the Minnesota Wild, Mikko Koivu. Jersey black. Mikko Koivu. We have, for the Pittsburgh Penguins, jersey silver, Canadian cloth, Christopher Letang. Jersey silver. We have a patch black for, I believe this go to the New Jersey Devils, Joe Nieuwendyk. He'd be New Jersey, wouldn't he? Patch black number to 6. I think so. Joe Nieuwendyk. For the Washington Capitals, Carolina Hurricanes, Alexander Semin. For the Washington Capitals, Mike Green. And for the Boston Bruins, Zdeno Chara. There we go. All right. Contenders time. The Nieuwendyk, what team would he go for? If somebody wants to confirm that with me, that'd be great. Based. Base. No, I wouldn't go to Toronto. I don't think. Base. For the Calgary. For the Philadelphia Flyers, NHL Inc., Matt Reed. So the Nieuwendyk is a Calgary hit then. If he played the most with most games played. Nice. Base. Calder Contenders for the Islanders, David Ulstrom. Base. Calder Contenders for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Brett Connolly, number to 800. Calder Contenders for the Anaheim Ducks, Maxime Masonauer. Flames hit, there we go. Confirmed. Why do they think New Jersey? Who would I think on New Jersey? Niedermeyer. Base. Yeah, I know. I just don't know why I thought New Jersey right away, though. Base. All right, there better be a big auto in this or something. That certainly is not it. Calder Contenders, number to 800 for the New York Islanders, Calvin DeHaan. Not a bad rookie to get, though. Calvin DeHaan. Cup Contenders for the Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaff. NHL Inc. for the Montreal Canadiens, Aaron Pelushai. And base. Coming up next is Limited and SP Game Used.